Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe a live sports match that you have watched. You should say what it was, when you watched it, why you watched it, and how you felt about it.
Cricket is one of the most popular sports in India, and it is watched by millions of people across the country. I watched a live cricket match between India and Pakistan at a stadium in Mumbai a few years ago. The match was part of a high-profile tournament, and it was highly anticipated by cricket fans in both countries. I watched the match with a group of friends who were also passionate about cricket. We had planned for this match for weeks, and we were excited to see some of the best players from both teams in action. The atmosphere at the stadium was electric, with thousands of fans cheering and chanting for their teams. The match was intense and closely contested, with both teams playing at the top of their game. The experience of watching a live sports match is exhilarating and unforgettable. The energy and excitement of the crowd, combined with the skill and athleticism of the players, create a thrilling experience that can be enjoyed by people of all ages and backgrounds. Watching a live sports match is a great way to connect with others, share in a common passion, and experience the thrill of competition firsthand. Happy learning. Thank you very much.